Welcome back to Cozymeal Studios. I'm G, and today we are making Korean corn dogs. This ultimate street food is one you won't be able to resist. From its iconic cheese pull to its crispy fried coating, this classic Korean street food will surely satisfy your cravings. With its perfect balance of savory and sweet, these corn dogs are the perfect snack for any time of day. So let's get started and make some delicious Korean corn dogs. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more recipes from us. Mix together the dry ingredients, which are 1 1/4 cups of bread flour, 1/3 cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. Add the wet ingredients to the flour mixture and mix until a shaggy, sticky dough forms. Transfer the dough to a shallow rectangular container and let it rise for about an hour until it is doubled in size. While the dough is rising, prepare the skewers with hot dogs and mozzarella. Lightly coat the skewers with potato flour. Roll each of the skewers in the dough to create a thin layer, making sure the cheese end is thoroughly covered. If you're making traditional Korean cheese corn dogs, then just roll the corn dogs into panko breadcrumbs, making sure it is thoroughly coated before frying. For potato-based Korean corn dogs, just roll the corn dogs into cubed French fries, coating the surface with the cubes. If you want to make ramen Korean corn dogs, then roll the corn dogs into the crushed ramen, coating the surface with ramen. No matter which style you choose, you'll want to roll the corn dogs into the panko, coating any bits of dough that are exposed. Fry the corn dogs, turning every few minutes until the entire corn dog is golden brown and crisp. Dust with granulated sugar and serve. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. If you want the full recipe, check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're looking for more Cozymeal recipes, be sure to check out our other videos. See you again soon.